TikTok. I got my truck in the shop just hanging out for the day while I went and worked on another car. And I have a fucking headlight out. I don't know how long it's been out, probably just today, but watch this. What the fuck? I don't know if it's just the running light or if it's low beam. I know it's not the high beam. What the fuck? So just turn the headlights on. And yeah, fucking A. What in the Kentucky Fried fuck? I wonder how long that's been out. I want to say I had it last night. It was working fine. Huh, weird. Well, boys, I bought some new headlights for the truck. Low beams, H11. That's what the kid at O'Reilly's said, so hopefully they're the right ones. I'm trusting him. I've never done headlights in a 4th gen Ram, but I figured while I'm going to pull the grill, might as well do both the low beams at the same time. So I know you got to pull all these little push pins over here, here, and there. And then this pops up, and then there's some 10mm bolts like right here, right here. I think there's like 4 total on the grill, and then you just pop the grill out. So let's go ahead and get it started. All right, so we got this popped up here. As you can see, there's 1 bolt, 2, 3, and 4 right there. They're all 10mm. Let's go ahead and pull them out. All right, so the grill is unbolted. Now there's just gonna be pop pins that you have to just rip this thing out pretty much. Yeah, don't break it, be careful. Just like that. These are the little pins right there. So just go ahead and pull it all out, just like that. And yeah, I'll be right back with you. All right, so the grill's right there. As you can see, wide open space. The reason you have to pull the grill is because you've got 1 bolt right here and another way down here. Now, I've seen videos of guys just kind of getting a really long extension and putting it in there, but I only have like a 6-inch extension, and it's for my 3/8 drive ratchet, so I didn't know if it would fit down there, and the grill was super easy to pull out anyways. So this is the one we're gonna do first, because this is the one that actually has the bad headlight. So let's go ahead and pull this out. All right, so I got the bolts out of there and there. Now we need to go into the wheel well here, which you guys can't see too well because it's dark, but there's a panel right here. You gotta pop this little push pin out. Then there's a pin you gotta slide up. All right, that was kind of a pain in the ass, but that's the pin you need to push up, a little plastic thing, and then you just gotta unplug the wires. All right, so then we remove this cover, which was right here for the low beam. Then you just turn the headlight out after you unplug it, of course. And we're gonna go and reverse those steps, put it back in. All right, so we put the new bulb in, plug the wire back in. Now let's put this little cover back on. All right, so we got it plugged back in. Just set it in place. It's obviously not incorrect. I just wanna make sure that it's gonna work. So go over here to the truck, turn the headlights on. And look at that, it works. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and do this one. All right, so we got the driver's side all put back together. It's bolted back up, right there, right there. Good to go. All right, both sides are bolted back up. Now let's throw the grill back on. All right, everything else is buttoned up and ready to go. Let's go ahead and turn on the lights real quick and make sure that it works. 1 and 2, perfect. Awesome. Glad that went, well, that went easier than I expected, to be honest.